welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing my Walgreens haul. Now, Walgreens is kind of a bad week to coupon. There's not like hardly any register rewards. There's hardly any points. There's some food deals and candy deals that I'll share with you guys. But right now, all the shampoo, all the conditioner, the toothpaste, all that stuff is buy two, get the third free. So very rare we're gonna have any deals on those items for the month, but there are some deals that are pretty good. If you guys watched, I did make a video on Walgreens changes. I have two different pictures, one somebody sent me and one that I got from a Walgreens group. My husband is going to try to research this and figure out what is going on, but do not panic. We don't know if it's true. Most likely it's probably true. So they want you to pretty much use all your points up before October 31st. So if you guys have points, I would definitely start using some of your points. You should never have more than like $500 in points. I know it's ridiculous. Like some people I see in these groups I see have like a $500 and $1,000. You guys don't need those points that high just because if something ever happens. You just lost like $1,000 or $500. I usually try to keep my money and my points for about 150 bucks is what I usually, or actually I try to keep it over 100. But just giving you guys a heads up, we might have to use $100 worth of points. And you're asking, what can I use my points on? There's toys. They're gonna have Christmas toys coming up, so you guys can always use your points on like Christmas gifts if you need to. So it's really hard to say what you guys can use your points on, but just start figuring stuff out. But don't panic because we don't know the whole details about it. I think they might be testing it out in some areas. It might not be available in every area. I don't know, but definitely check that out. If you guys do find any other legit information, send me a message. But I will let you guys know as much as I find out. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. I ended up getting the all. Now I wanted to get the regular all. My store did not have any. I didn't even check Ibotta. I knew there was a $1 rebate, but it says it does not work for the all or free and clear, which I'm kind of pissed off about, but whatever. So if you guys have the other ones, definitely get the other ones instead. But the all is $6.99. I did use a $1 off printable coupon that we got from all.com. You guys would pay $5.99. If you got the correct stuff, you would get a $1 rebate with Ibotta. Plus, you get 2,000 points when you buy one of them. So it comes out to be just $2.99 with the the Ibotta deal, or just $3.99 without the Ibotta deal. So not a big deal to me, you know, but still wanted to share with you guys on that in case you need some laundry detergent. I have a friend, I think, who loves that stuff, so. Yes, I got some candles, you guys. Pretty excited. My digitals did not work. I'm kind of pissed off about it. I will be contacting Walgreens. I need to stop relying on digitals and kind of get the paper ones. We did have some printables for these, and I'm not sure if we had any in our inserts. I didn't get any unless I didn't check the other inserts that I just bought. But these were $4.99. They are currently buy one, get one 50% off. I love these candles. I'm like officially banned from candles, but these ones are not that bad. Glade ones are not that, they're just more like real, I guess. But anyways, there is a $3.75 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. There is a printable coupon also, but you guys would get these for $3.73 or $1.86 a piece, which I really like. And apple cinnamon is the best fall smell for me that I absolutely love. So definitely go ahead and get these. I might even want to go back and get more, but I am currently banned on candles, so I don't know. But those could be a gift if you guys want to get some gifts. I ended up getting the Nature Valley. These are on sale for $1.88. Now, we do have some printable coupons and we do have some digital coupons for $1 off a 2, okay? There is a 50-cent off a 2 coupon that we just got today's insert, so don't use that one. But these, you want to use that coupon. You guys would get these for, $2.76 or just $1.38 a piece. Plus, don't forget to submit your receipt to the General Mills Box Shop app. So pretty good deal if you guys want. I mean, right now with kids' school, snacks, go for it. I ended up getting the peanut butter dark chocolate, and then I got the peanut butter. So I'm gonna probably sneak these in Ben's lunchbox for school. He'll be starting school in a couple weeks. So yeah, I got the Downy fabric softener. This was $2.99. I used a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. So you get this for just $1.99. So not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys need some laundry detergent, go for it. Now this is a deal that's available all month long. It's the Chic Shave deal. These are $1.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You would pay $3.98 for the both of these, but then you get 2,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. You guys can pay with points for this, and you can do as many of these as you want in a transaction. So it just depends on what you guys want to do with that. I also got a Catalina for $1.50 off of 3 for the Nature Valley bars. So if you guys get that printed out, go for it. The Kit Kat candy bars are on sale, the deal of the week, for $1.99. Now they usually have these in 3 or 4 different spots. They have them in the candy aisle, they have them in the Halloween candy aisle, they have them in the entrance, and then I also saw some on an end cap. But there is currently a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would get these for $2.98 or just $1.49. So if you guys need to stock up on Halloween candy or just stock up for food for your belly, go for it. Okay. I ended up getting some candy bars. I've been really craving Rolos lately. Like, it's just crazy. So I got 3 Rolos for myself and 1 candy bar for the husband. So these were 4 for $3. There is currently a $1 off of 4 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So this deal, I think, is an all-month deal. So you guys definitely want to use that coupon. You guys will get these for 50 cents. I know some people like to give away big candy bars for Halloween. I don't know if 50 cents is cheap enough. For me, it's not to give away for Halloween, but you know, other people do give away full-size candy bars, so definitely go ahead and do that. I know licorice was included, like the Twizzlers. That was the only thing that I saw that was non-chocolate items. So if you guys want to get that, I think 50 cents for a candy bar is a great deal, considering usually those are like 89 cents, okay? And then I got these Russell Stouffer sugar-free candy. These were 2 for $5. We do have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon. Plus we have a $1 off a 2 coupon that was in our inserts. I want to say last week. I don't remember exactly when. But you guys would get these for $4. So $2 a piece. I don't know how many are in here at a time. But I will be giving these to somebody. Hopefully she's not watching this video. I will be giving these to somebody for a little video that we're going to be doing next month in a couple days. Actually, I got to mail that out in a couple of days. So that was my haul, you guys. I was going to get the Kellogg's cereal, but I just stocked up on a ton of General Mills cereal because they have free movies. So I wanted to do that deal instead. And I like General Mills cereal over Kellogg's anyways, except like Fruit Loops. But I was going to do that. Was going to get the Nexus deal, but my store, the cheapest Nexus bottle is $14.99, so I did not do that. Was going to do the Shea Moisture, but my store was sold out of the ones that were $3.99. I was gonna look at the King C Gillette, but my store, there's no sale for those, which is totally fine. But that was pretty much it. My total came to $23.90. I ended up getting only 4,000 points, that's $4. So my grand total came to $19.90, or just 16 items at $1.24 a piece. So not the greatest deal, but you know what? There are times where this is a week, if you guys don't want to go couponing, don't go. You know, it's totally worth it. There's not any hot run deals, but there's some stuff that might surprise us. But yeah, keep me updated. I'll keep you guys updated on the whole changes or anything that is happening, but don't freak out. But if I were you, maybe start spending some of your points if you have a lot. I'm not gonna worry about it until like I see an official post, but we will see. They will probably get a ton of complaints. They are probably already getting complaints already because it leaked out on the internet, so people freak out. But don't hate Walgreens until we know exactly what's going on. I know everybody hates change, but this might be a good thing for us because there are people who clear the I see people who clear the shelves constantly. So this might be a deal where people can't clear the shelves for certain deals, just like how, you know, CVS is. I don't know. We will see. But again, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next week. Thanks for watching again. See ya. Bye-bye.